Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google account without phone number verification. So first of all, go to your browser, then go to gmail.com. After that, you have to click on create account for myself and you have to fill all the informations. After filling all those information, click on next. Here you have to give your birthday and your gender. Select your gender. You have to select the year 2007 or 2008 or 9, and birth date will be your wisely. Then clicking on next. After reading the privacy and terms, you have to click on I agree. Yes, your Google account has been created. Here is your Gmail account. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.